So hello guys, today I'm going to make a wall charger holder for your mobile phone from just using this PVC electric pipe. So without wasting any more time, let's see how to do it. So for that, first I'll cut a small piece of this PVC pipe. For cutting it, when it is hard, obviously I can't cut it. So for cutting, first I should melt it. For melting, I'm using a heat gun and I'll turn it on. So now it's turned on. So let me melt it. So now it feels like it has been melted. Yeah, it has melted. See, you can see this. So now just cut it off. See, it's cut like rubber. Once it's hot, it just cuts like rubber. So now what you have to do is just try to make a straight line like this from here to there. So for making the line, what I'm going to use is I'll just hold the scissor like this, and I'll just try to push it all the way like this. So then you will get approximate straight line of this pipe. For cutting it, I'm just going to melt this area and just cut it all through this pipe. So now again I am going to melt this pipe, but by melting the pipe, make sure your hand doesn't come on the way because it will burn your hand. It's too hot. Actually, it is the normal temperature is 350 degrees and the high temperature is 550 degrees. So make sure it doesn't come on your hands. So for that, I'm using a plier. So I'll hold it with a plier because this area anyway I'll cut it off because it is not even. So I'll just try to heat it like this. Just one side you need to heat it. Just try to cut it. See, you can see that once it is hot, it again cuts like rubber. Go ahead and cut it. See, you can see that it just cuts like rubber now. It doesn't feel like plastic only. So now I can't cut all the way. So from now I'll cut from this side. So again hold it here. Use heat gun. So it has got cutted. Oh, it's really hot. So now what you have to do is, it is in a rolled form, so I need to make it flat. So for that I'll try to put one extra pipe inside like this. So it is not hot now, so I'll try to again heat it. See, it has came like this. Now try to flatten it. Take it again back. Hold it here. Heat it again. Now for flattening, you can use the pipe like this. See? Now to flatten it much better, I'm going to use this chapati maker, because otherwise my table will get messed up. So it absorbs the heat, also it helps it to cool it much more easier. So now as I have flattened the PVC pipe, so now the edges are not straight, so I have to just make it more straight and perfect. So for that I'll take a scale and I'll just draw a straight line on this PVC. So for cutting this, no, you don't need to heaten it up. You have to just cut it with the hardware scissor or normal scissor which you can find at your home. Mainly you can use it a kitchen scissor. So you can see that now how much better it is looking compared to before. So now you have got a straight piece of PVC like this. Now just measure half of your phone size, whichever phone you are using. So my phone's length almost about 16 centimeter, so I will take half of the phone size. So I'll take almost just 8 centimeter or 9 centimeters, up to you. If you have a longer one, you can use that. So 18 centimeter I'll take a marking, then I'll draw a straight line again and I'll cut it off from here. Now you have two pieces like this. As you can see, there are two pieces like this. So now what you have to do is, from this side I need to bend it little bit, curl it to inside. So for doing that, I'll take the heat gun and I'll take a pencil. So I'll just heat this side, just one side I will heat it. So once you start curling like this, what we'll do, we'll put a scale like this and one pencil here, and we will just try to just curl this side a little bit like this. Just make sure the half of it doesn't at all curl up. And for cooling it, I'll use water spray. See, already it has started becoming hot. As you guys can see, it has made a notch like this on the other side. So as you guys can see that the one plate I have turned it to in a J shape. So now we'll keep this one aside for a while and we'll go and see the one more piece which we have kept it. So what you have to do in this piece is, first remove all the rough edges like we did before. From the middle we are going to draw a straight line. So it is 5 centimeter, so we'll take about 2.5 centimeter. So from here we are going to draw a straight line and we'll cut from the middle of this. So now we have two pieces like this and one piece like this. Now what you need is a double stick tape. So turn it both into the other side and fix double stick tape for both like this and cut it. After half a centimeter, again put one more double stick like this and cut the excess. Cut it off like this and again cut it from the middle and remove the excess. Here also remove the excess. Same thing do with the other one also. So now I have done in the both below side. So this side I have done it like this. Now I'm going to turn it in this side, and I am going to stick 2 double stick tape. It is up to you. If you want to use more, you can use it. One more I'm going to put here in the middle like this. So this is the back side, this is the front side. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to stick this piece to it like this. Remove both the tape from here, go to the edge and make sure this one is coinciding like this, and just go ahead and press it to its position like this. So you can see that it is quite sturdy. It has already been quite sturdy here, but just push it correctly like this. Same thing you are going to do the other side also. To the edge and just coincide it like this. So you can see that from the edge it's nicely fixed. Just make sure it is pressed firmly like this, and from the down also. Give it some time, give it 10 minutes so that it is nicely adherent. So you can see that it is really strong. See, it is bending, the plastic is bending, still the double stick tape is not removing. So the double stick tape is quite powerful. So this is how it looks like once you have done fixing all the parts. The thing which you are making is complete. So now I'll show you guys how to fix it to the wall and how to use it. So this is how it looks like, guys, once you finish it. So there is 2 double stick tape which I have put it in the bag. So first you have to remove it. Sorry, just remove it carefully like this. Even remove it from the other side. So now make sure it is straight. This is necessary. Just make sure it is straight. Put the upside first and just fix it like this. So once you fix it, this is how it looks like. So now it is really strong, it doesn't come out in any way. So I'll open the door, so you can easily open and close the door like this. Actually I can't fix it in the wall because the paint will go, so I'm trying to show you guys on this PVC door, but I will show you the strength of it. See, I can easily open and close the door just using this thing. So as you guys have seen, now make sure it is pressed correctly and wait for 2 to 3 minutes so that it gets nicely fixed to the wall or door, whatever you are using. So after fixing it, now you can easily go ahead and put your phone for charging here. If you don't worry about this, we have made it the way, because it is tall, it will never come out of it and it will never go back. See, I can open and close it to you guys and show you. See, this much shake I am doing, then also it is not coming out. Remove it also and keep it also like this. So now I'll show you guys by connecting the charger. So now I have a charger here. So now I'll just connect it to the charger. Imagine it is a wall socket near you, and you can easily fix it like this. Imagine here the wall port is there. You can easily charge the mobile like this. So see this, now it's charging. It is charging. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys like the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.